Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm gonna try and keep this upbeat. We have just had some bad news, but try and keep it upbeat. I think there'll be a few more live streams coming your way. Where we're going.
Well, not long dead, Dad.
So that was on the 7th. It's going to be.
Yeah.
Benidorm's going back into lockdown. I don't know how this lot's going to get sorted.
No, I don't think it's a full lockdown. I just think it's they're shutting all the bigger bars again.
Okay, we're still at. I don't know if I've misunderstood something here or what.
So, like, bars like K Beach and all that, they'll be shutting again, I think. I'm not too sure.
I'm not sure. We're going to have to check this out for ourselves on some of the government websites.
Yeah.
We'll let you know tomorrow night. I've been just told we're going into full lockdown. But
Oh, guys,
I don't know.
when we find out more, we'll keep you up to date with it. I'll make sure to try do another news flash video as well.
Right guys, we're just going to have a walk about today. See how we go. It's just getting a bit confusing over here at the moment. In the week we're going to have a look round and see what's happened to these hotels we found were open at Christmas. And do one on them, I think.
Guys sat in bar up there, shirt off, shorts on, pair of sandals.
That's how warm it is if you get in the sun. And he said in the sea then.
Oh, yeah, you never know, might be a bit warm in the sea.
I doubt it, Marcus, not now after the last few days. You see a lot of the decorations still up, a lot of the hotels still bothered even though they're not open. They still did themselves up for Christmas.
I think it's just to show like they're still here, sort of thing. And
That's Marcus's
a
theory.
bit to help spread the spirits up of people, not just make people realise we're all in this together.
I think myself, it's coming on time when this is going to break. It's either going to be the people's patience or the government of the day going to have to do something. I don't know what's going to go on. So I've seen a bit down on the video today. It's just one of them videos, one of them days. Hence, heading for the beach now. We're going to have a look at the beach. That usually cheers you up a bit.
Newspaper back there with Boris saying it's back to square one apparently now.
Not being political, but I don't think Boris has got a clue which side he's... No, I hadn't better say it. I don't think he's got a clue what he's doing.
Yeah, that works out better.
He's come out of the EU because Cameron couldn't make a deal because he's got no negotiating skills and he wanted out the job. They put it to us that certain things were going to happen. We came out the EU, lied to us, and now they've got this big COVID thing and they haven't got a clue what they do with it. Well done for voting Conservative, guys. Love you all, and you deserve everything you're going to get. Now, I'll probably upset a few people now. I don't know whether this will stop up. But it needs to be said. For the rest of you, sorry about a little rant.
I mean, all the
That's where I
people
feel.
voted to leave the EU are either dead or couldn't care less anymore.
Yeah, 50% of the population have either died since the vote
Or changed their
or
mind.
were too young to vote at the time.
Oh.
Anyway, we're going to get off that subject because I'll get on boiling up about that really. That's probably why we're out in Spain now, trying to find to stop out here. Oh, come on, let's lighten up a bit now. If anybody thinks Boris has got a plan, or any of the government, give us a shout and tell us what you think. It's only my opinion. There we are. That's why you all come. It's a bit empty today. It's actually warm enough to go and sit on there today. I don't know what the temperature is. We've seen 14s and 15s. It seems a bit warmer than that, to be honest, today. Feel a bit better now, right? Have a rant and you feel a bit better. Might be something for you guys too. Lockdown again. Avoid your partners and whatnot. Just say if I have a bit of a rant, just de-stressing a bit. Don't mean anything. I think I did did a video just after lockdown, a little bit of a rant on.
I think someone's committed suicide.
Water to death. You see that guy there?
Oh no, there's a helmet, a new scooter, and two
Oh, there's
pairs of
nobody there.
trainers. So,
Probably going swimming.
yeah, but I can't see anyone. Can you?
Sorry, I thought it was somebody sat there while Marcus was telling me about. Thought they fell asleep on there. Oh dear. Okay guys, I'm going to end the video here. It's just my point of view. I know everyone agree with me, but there you go. That's life. We all agreed we'd get on better, and coronavirus would never exist. So don't forget the live stream tomorrow night. Marcus coming on with me, are you?
Yep, Q&A.
That's Wednesday night. They will go up today, this one I think. Well, got a cough now, eh?
COVID.
Aye. So we'll see you then. Hopefully I'll be in a slightly better mood then. Right, don't forget to like and subscribe as normal. Might be a few unsubscribing now, I don't know. And we'll see you tomorrow night. Bye.